Welcome to Maribor, Slovenia's second largest city and one of the most charming towns in Central Europe. Today, we'll take a walking tour through the Old Town and explore its main attractions, hidden corners, and fascinating stories. So, let's begin our walk. Continuing along the river, we see the Judgment Tower and the Water Tower on the other side of the river. These medieval towers were part of the city's fortifications, protecting Maribor from invasions. Today, they are peaceful reminders of the past and often host cultural events or exhibitions. The Drava River is one of the major rivers of Central Europe, flowing through 5 countries: Italy, Austria, Slovenia, Croatia, and Hungary, before joining the Danube. In medieval times, the Drava was an important trade route, and Maribor's Lent district was once a busy port where goods and wine were shipped. The river has been used for hydropower for over a century. Slovenia has several hydroelectric plants along the Drava, providing much of the region's electricity. Every summer, the Drava is the stage for the Lent Festival, one of the biggest open-air festivals in Slovenia, with concerts, performances, and fireworks right by the riverside. Local people love the Drava for recreation rowing, kayaking, cycling along the embankments, or just enjoying sunsets by the water. And here's an interesting fact. Maribor was named the European Capital of Culture in 2012. This recognition brought international attention and boosted the city's cultural scene. As we continue our walk, let's enjoy the atmosphere of Maribor's old town streets. Narrow alleys, hidden courtyards, and small shops create a unique charm. Stop for a coffee or a glass of local wine in one of the traditional cafes. This is where you can truly feel the city's rhythm. From the riverbank, let's move towards Janosikove Trug, another central square. Here stands the Maribor Cathedral, dedicated to St. John the Baptist. This Gothic church was built in the 12th century and later expanded in Baroque style. Inside, you'll find beautiful altars, stained glass windows, and the tomb of Bishop Anton Martin Slomšek, one of Slovenia's most important historical figures. We are now on the main square of Maribor. This is the heart of the Old Town, surrounded by colorful facades, cozy cafes, and historic buildings. In the middle of the square stands the plague column, built in the 17th century to thank God for the end of a devastating plague. It's one of the symbols of Maribor and a perfect place to feel the city's vibrant energy. From the main square, we walk toward the town hall. This Renaissance-style building dates back to the 16th century. Look closely, and you will see the coat of arms and the unique architectural details that tell us about Maribor's importance in medieval times. Today, it still serves as the seat of the city's mayor. Next, we continue our walk to Lent, the oldest part of Maribor located along the Drava River. Lent is famous for its charming riverside promenade, medieval towers, and lively summer festivals. As you stroll here, you can imagine how this area once served as a busy harbor centuries ago. Now, let's talk about a unique tradition, the Old Vine Festival. Every autumn, Maribor celebrates the grape harvest with music, food, and, of course, wine tasting. This festival brings the city alive and attracts visitors from all over the world. For those who love panoramic views, don't miss the Pyramida Hill, just a short walk from the center. A gentle climb rewards you with stunning views of Maribor's rooftops, the Drava River, and the surrounding vineyards. It's the perfect way to end your walk with a breathtaking perspective. As our walking tour comes to an end, let's reflect. Maribor is not just about history and monuments. It's about the atmosphere, the wine tradition, the festivals, and the warm hospitality of its people. Whether you came for the old vine, the medieval towers, or simply the riverside strolls, Maribor is a city that leaves a lasting impression. Thank you for joining this walk through the old town of Maribor. I hope you discovered new stories and places to visit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more walking tours around Europe. See you in the next journey.